Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about the loading UI. So by default, Next.js provide loading.js file in the respective folder, so it automatically loads before. You don't need to add a separate loading part, right? So just you have to create a loading.js file where you can just add your loaders, and it automatically, whenever there is a transition of the pages, it automatically shows. Let's see how it works. Okay, so let's have a look on that one. So let me just run the code npm run dev. Okay, and here we go with this one. So just let me go with, I think the port is, yeah, the same is port is there. Let's go with this one. So after navigating the page, here you can see about page. So here you can see the first blinking is that loading, right? So that we have added. So you can see now, but now it's not coming, but it's coming like one way. So let me just delete the cache of it. So test loader, we have a next, then we remove the cache, and let's have a look of that one. Here you can see blinking is there, there's a loading next. So because the data is coming too much fast, how we have implemented, let's have a look. Control C, code. So here we have the, make sure I have using the app. Okay, and about loading, because here we have just a loading users list, right? So about, so it, so because you can see it's making our highlight because we have just do this one. Okay, so here we go with this transition. So it's coming, right? You can see loading user list, then it will come. Okay, so it's just a second, it will come, right? So here we go with this one. So here you can see app, about, then we have a loading.js file. Here you can see we have a loading. Okay, just we have to create this export default function page, and in the about we have a page.js file. So here you can see what we are going to do it. Loading is not required over here because I'm not using the loading, whatever it is, because loading section is not, I'm using it. Okay, so here just in the use effect, I'm just calling the API endpoint and just set and loading it, because I'm not using the loading over here. Okay, finally, or you can skip this one also. Okay, then fetch data, and here you can see that link to about page and show the data. So automatically loader will come whenever you try to add this. Okay, and the page.js, there is a linking part. Okay, this is done. So there is a scenario where loading.js is worked or not. Okay, so what I have done for where it works, let me show you. Okay, so in the, nothing I have done, right? So let's have a look of that one. Create next app. So create next app. So here we go with the documentation. So what I have choose for getting to be worked. So let's have a look on that one. Okay, open in down terminal, then we'll go with the nvm use node 20. Okay, so what the procedures I have followed, app this one. So go with the yes, yes. Project name, I will go testing. Okay, no, TypeScript if you want to use, you can go with no, yes, tailwind, no. So here you can see that we have a source directory, or you are go with, I'm using the app directory, right? So make it no, and we have want the app router, yes. Okay, and then we will put the no, and then it will do well. So these are the settings that we have to use it. Okay, so then it will work. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.